In the said context, now I would like to invite Director and Head of Business India and South Asia, TeamViewer India Private Limited, Mr. Krunal Patel, to deliver Associate Guest Address on Remote Access Technologies, Future of Business Continuity.
Hi, Krina. Good afternoon, and good afternoon to all of you. I hope I'm visible and my voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yes, thank you for basically setting the tone and explaining all of us about your experience of home working, and a lot of us share that. I have my slides. I'm just bringing it up. So let me begin with a brief introduction of how I am associated here and what my objective was. So probably I hail from Gujarat and now in Mumbai, and I've been working all my life between Gujarat and Maharashtra, and working very closely with all of you, some of you on the call and peers and everything. And when this opportunity of DMC came my way, I grabbed it with both the hands. I think it is a very wonderful platform, and thank you for having me here. Now, probably the idea was to kind of talk about digital transformation technologies and digital how are we going to behave, how are we going to transform, and how are we going to adopt to the new technologies. And that's where my presentation would be all about. Probably if I have to define the new normal, and before that, thank you so much. And I really want to thank from bottom of my heart all the government workers, health workers, teachers, educators, and especially CIOs and CTOs. I know those 22nd March, 23rd March, 24th March days when a lot of your peers, a lot of you reached out, and we had to deliver solutions which would be relevant, which would be useful, secure, and fast. And I personally feel that we have done a very good job of navigating through this. And of course, we are still in the middle of the storm. But we don't have to get complacent. But at the time, whenever we get, it is important that we acknowledge and thank each one of you, and especially CIOs, CTOs. You guys have done tremendous job on making businesses enabled to continue. But what is new normal now? What happens when the dust settles and the storm passes? Probably we all have to live with it. I was listening to some of the speakers in the past, and more from the education space, and they said that okay, e-learning was not necessary but good to have earlier, and now it became necessary, and now we want to continue it. And that's the new normal, the way how we deliver things, the way how we work on certain things. And this new normal for me is defined in 4 pillars. Continuity. We have to ensure that the continuity is maintained in whatever we do, whether it is manufacturing, services, whether it is supply chain, or whether it is post-sale support. There has to be a very long-term plan for ensuring continuity. Connectivity. And this is very surprising because we all say that we are in 4G, VoLTE, we are almost on the verge of 5G, etc. But we still find it very, very challenging when it comes to connectivity, connecting human to human, connecting human to machine, connecting machine to machine, etc. Connectivity becomes very important. Collaboration. And friends, collaboration for me has multifaceted. The first is, of course, the technology part of it, having a right platform in place which is supporting the collaboration, which is seamless. Second is also the word social distancing has actually misled a lot of people, because we are actually supposed to do physical distancing and not social distancing, where collaboration tools become very handy. One of the example which I always set with my team is that I do a morning catch up and a tea time catch up every day just to check on health. Those 5 minutes are time when I just go through and tap my employees and say that, guys, a job well done, a day well passed, and we are all safe and healthy. And it becomes very critical for us to be close to our employees, to be close to what they are doing, and just that they don't feel that they are alone or something, they are struggling by themselves. And finally, cloud. This is more on the technology, but from the challenge what we had, the scalability which we required, suddenly the remote working remote working structure of the office changed. We were tasked to do the reverse of what we were planned to do. Like we had 20% capacity working on VPN or outside office, and now we have 80% working on outside office. So elasticity, scalability, and security was a driving force for adoption of cloud in variety of things, whether it is software as a service, infrastructure as a service, or platform as a service. In all the areas, we saw that cloud has given us a very reliable solution and an answer to our existing problems to navigate in the new normal. So having defined the new normal and having understood that what are the parameters or pillars which would be required to manage that, let's understand what TeamViewer is doing right now. So TeamViewer basically is helping CTOs, CIOs to give a remote connectivity platform, whether it is connecting offices, connecting machines, or doing a virtual reality field support. Let me share my experience of March, April, May, and of course it was a very busy time, and my team was working even on Saturdays and Sundays, and we were supporting customers, and we really enjoyed the feedback what we got from our customers and the way how they could manage the things. First example is from Sri Lanka. This was a large conglomerate. They came to us saying that, we have 16 companies with 15,000 end devices, which needs to be supported from the central location with 30 technical support engineers. We set up the entire system, integrated it with their Active Directory, with their single sign-on solution, and currently it is operational very seamlessly and using it very peacefully with security and across all the devices in the organization. This is an example for continuity, for remote support. Work from home. A government agency in Delhi came to us and said that, okay, we have 1100 plus employees which need to have a work from home solution. Immediately in a week's time, we could deliver that. It was scalable, it supported bring your own device, and it had all the security challenges, all the security requirements of the company, which was like, having a conditional access, integration with single sign-on, the right reporting and auditability, as well as black screen, which was required. Another innovative use case came to us was about manufacturing floor support, where it was a cement company which came to us and said that, okay, we have plants across India and we want to give manufacturing floor support. Normally our expert would have traveled, but now with the current scenario, we have restricted on the travel, and because of which, with augmented reality solution on mobile, TeamViewer could deliver a solution which was easy, fast, and immediately implemented. Well, this is continuity. This is all about how we continue to do business, and our solutions stand for that, and we have been doing it very successfully in India. But what about new age technology? And this pandemic has challenged and rather also given a huge impetus on new age technologies like connectivity of things, connectivity using video reality supports, etc. So let me explain you the new age TeamViewer with the new age technology solutions. TeamViewer now has a full-fledged TeamViewer Internet of Things platform. When you go on our booth, we have a link where you can explore more. But on a very high level, TeamViewer gives you three things. One is it gives you a remote operation capability, which means that, if you are working on an edge device or a sensor or an aggregator, you can remotely operate that device from anywhere. Remote alarm and remote assistance, as the word suggests. Our USP here is that you have the same TeamViewer 256 AES encrypted end-to-end protected platform at your disposal, even when you are talking to a machine or talking to a sensor or a edge device. So network security is our responsibility, and we take extra care to it. Second thing is that we are trying to democratize IoT, which means that, I don't want and tell you how you improve your business. You can just take it from me, try it and learn it by yourself. And that's the approach what we are saying. A lot of IT projects across different world are facing challenges because they don't move out of the pilot phase or of the POC phase. And that's what we really want to not do. And what we are trying to make available is a platform which CIOs, CTOs can start using it today. And that's where you can go to our booth, just download the link and get the IoT platform for yourself today. Start operating with an edge device, could be Dell, could be HP, could be Bosch, and we are trying to add as many as hardware OEMs into the ecosystem to ensure that you can have a all-in-one solution. And that's where TeamViewer Power will come into play. You have a secure network, a very useful KPI analyzer. You can have your own dashboard and user account created. All this in a very seamless, easy to use manner. So friends, Internet of Things for us is again a consumer ready democratic solution which each one of you can download it today from our booth and you can start using it from tomorrow. Please reach out to me. My contact details are there on the website, on the slides, including my email ID and mobile number if you need any activation support, any support for trying out for yourself. We already have 5 customers now in India since we launched this product 2 months back, and they have very successfully used our licensed version of TeamViewer IoT. So this is what is a testament of easy to use, secure platform which allows you to do multiple things. Of course, it is the same platform on which you were doing work from home yesterday. Now you are connecting your machines. It is the same platform which was also augmented to support your people who are working from home, maybe supporting them on mobile devices or working from mobile devices. So whether it was bring your own device, whether it was secure remote working, whether it was secure remote support or Internet of Things, you don't move out of the platform. This platform in a holistic approach gives you one way solution in a very secure manner. That's not all, friends. With the need of the hour, with the need of more and more assistance on the go, virtual assistants, TeamViewer has TeamViewer augmented reality solutions. TeamViewer augmented reality solutions were designed basically at 2 phases. First phase being for the beginners. So if suppose you are on the start of your AR journey where you have workforce which requires visual assistance, where you want to tell them, show them and create tutorials, you have the TeamViewer Pilot solution. So TeamViewer Pilot solution is simple to use, mobile based or smart glasses based. We support multiple smart glasses as well. Solution where you can see the physical world via the camera of the field engineer or the field technician. This solution is now adopted for 2 years across different locations, including India. A lot of some large conglomerates are trying this, using this and supporting their customers in India. Let me show you a live example of how this solution would be very effective in a manufacturing support kind of a use case.
Sir, I'm sorry to interrupt. I just want you to take time into consideration as we have further sessions also in line.
Sure.
Thank you.
So this is how a TeamViewer augmented reality pilot solution works. Now we have UbiMax. UbiMax is a TeamViewer company. It's an complete augmented reality suite. If you are an Oracle customer, if you are an SAP customer, if you are having any warehouse management solution, any logistics management solution, we have an extension to that solution which can help you do a touchless operations in your warehouse, in your logistics. Quickly going through the solutions. TeamViewer UbiMax frontline platform offers basically four main solutions. XPeak is vision peaking, where you can have AR driven, smart glasses driven logistics and warehouse management solution, which can your vision pickers or your warehouse managers or your logistics manager can have all the information in front of them while they are doing the logistics management. XMake is all about guided manufacturing, where your engineers on the floor can solve problems, can do efficiency improvement on the go on their smart glasses. XInspect is all about physical virtual inspection of devices, and XAssist is all about remote support using augmented reality. Friends, this is not a research and development solution. This is ready to use solution. We can start on this journey from tomorrow. So with other TeamViewer pilot for beginners or TeamViewer UbiMax frontline platform for manufacturing, logistics, for inspection or assistance, we have a full suite of augmented reality ready solutions. In a summary, TeamViewer is on one mission to connect anything, anywhere, anytime with a very, very holistic approach towards connectivity, connecting machines, IoT sensors, augmented reality based video devices, as well as all the normal business IT support, which includes laptop, desktops, and mobile. Today, TeamViewer has grown to be one of the leading remote connectivity platform with 2.2 billion installations, with technology supporting all the major devices and operating systems, and with holistic approach towards security and data privacy. So when you work with TeamViewer, any of the solution, whether it is our simple remote support or advanced augmented reality based XPeak or logistics management solution, you have to be rest assured that we implement the highest standards of security and privacy. As in the paucity of time, I think we'll not have any time for questions right now, but we have our booth. You can get in touch with our team there, or you can have my details from the screen, and I'll be happy to assist. You can start your IoT AR journey with your own TeamViewer from today.